Hey guys, my name is Jairan and this is my project submission for EtherPunk 2021. The name of this project is Cleopatra. Let me quickly get you through the entire code snippet. So you see this is where I have imported my keys. The keys that I'll be using to access the API tokens in order to use my bot that will be serving as an intermediate to the user and will be doing the task guided by user. This is followed by some of the functions which I'll be covering later on. This is where things actually get started. The reply to tweets is the function where the bot starts interacting with the user. These are some of the keywords which I have incorporated in order to make sure that these are some of the functionalities that are being served purposefully and rightly. So you see, also the reply to tweets function is booted up at random instant of time between 1 to 10 seconds in order to make sure that the entire and all of the mentions that are being made to the bot are actually answered. Talking a bit about the APIs that I have used in this project is price feed from Chainlink. This is the Solidity smart contract which when deployed to a network will fetch me the latest price of the link token. Currently, this Solidity smart contract apart from others are all deployed to Mumbai Matic testnet and Kovan testnet. This is the Python script which will interact with the price feed.solidity smart contract and will get the price feed of the link token. Then it will pass it to the Python script which will then pass it to the Twitter API to bot that will be replying to the user in the end. Similarly, this is the VRF consumer.solidity smart contract which is another API from Chainlink that I have used in my project. As you know, VRF are basically the verifiable random functions. Since last past few days, I was thinking about how can I put up a great use case to this randomness, as it is one of the great things that I love about the blockchain, the actual randomness, right? So that's when I came across an idea to actually put it a use case to giveaway on Twitter. How? Let me just quickly get you through it. So this is the Solidity smart contract, which when deployed to a testnet, will fetch me a random number. This Solidity smart contract is also currently deployed to Mumbai Matic testnet as well as Kovan testnet. This is the Python script which will be interacting with the VRF consumer Solidity smart contract and will be fetching the random number. This is where things start to get interesting. This is where when given the Twitter ID, basically this tweet ID, it will fetch all the retweets including the username and their IDs. Winners is where the actual data gets processed, gets segregated, and then sent back to this main file. Processing randomness. This is the function where actual magic happen. This is where the random function makes sure when input to this tweet ID that it will only generate the amount of winners that it wants. That is, let's just say that you want 10 winners as a part of this giveaway. Then this function will make sure that it generates just 10 perfect natural numbers out of the entire tweet ID and the random number that has been provided to us using the Chainlink VRF API to only make 10 different unique tweet IDs out of the entire database that is being fetched from this retweetscripts.python. In the end, it will send out a DM to those 10 winners as well as announce on a new tweet. Let me just quickly give you an example of all of this. So here, let me just begin by posting a very ordinary yet basic functionality of this project. That is, hey Cleopatra, hello world. And let me just start on the entire script. Yeah, so our bot is up and running, and now I'll tweet. And in just a matter of time, it detects that yes, there has been a mention named hashtag hello world. Let me just refresh. And you see, the bot has replied back, hey Ramjay, thanks for mentioning me. I'm currently being developed by Ramjay1 follow this email ID if you haven't already. Great, so this is the most basic functionality of this bot. Now, let's get an interesting one. What if I want the latest price feed of link token? So I'll write, hey Cleopatra, can you send me the latest price feed of link token? And I'll tweet. So what this function, oh, sorry, yeah. So what this function will do is, yep, as you can see, it has already detected a new mention. And at the same time, a background script of Brown is being run that will deploy the consumer v3.5 and the read price feed.python file. This is basically the script. Yeah, these are basically the scripts which are being deployed at the moment, and it is fetching back this way. So let's make sure that the Twitter ID is having the same way amount. Yep, there you go. It has replied me in the Twitter status as well as it has DM me. Just in case if I don't want to let the world know that, yeah, oh hello, I'm using the link token and blah blah blah. Yeah, great. So this is the use case that I put to it, that just in case if I don't want to get a status instead of DM, I can get a DM as well. Now let's go for the best thing of this project. Let me just search giveaway, uh, hashtag giveaway, and search. Okay, yeah, I think this would be a great use case to put up. Um, so let me just find a random tweet where I can post this. Yeah, I think this would be a nice one. It is already having, let's see, yeah. So it is having 9,400 retweets and 4,850 likes, right? So all you will be needing is this tweet ID in order to kick in the giveaway. So here, okay, so yeah, here, this, where's the Twitter bot? Yep. So this is where it will take the giveaway function. So let's just get on with it. All right. Hey, Cleopatra, for the thread, can you announce the winners of the giveaway and like? Yeah. So it has seen that there is a new mention. It has given me the number of followers, the retweets that is being made, and yeah, there you go. The another three scripts are actually being deployed. The deploy VRF in order to deploy the verifiable random function, the fund in order to fund this deploy via a smart contract, request randomness function to request the randomness from the Chainlink blockchain, and finally the read random number in order to read the final random number that is being fetched from the blockchain. So let me just see here. Oh yeah, there I go. These are the winners of the giveaway. I have made sure that I do not include the @ symbol in order to make sure that it is not actually sent to the users. But what if I want to send it to the users? All I have to do is that I just have to, yeah, uncomment this API.send direct message thing, and when I'll be adding the @ symbol, it will be tagging all of the users over here. So this is what I have built, and this is Cleopatra basically, one of the great paradigms that can be given to the blockchain. So my idea to make this, the real inspiration behind this was to provide a resilient, a reliable, and a really user, kind of user-centric experience for those who do not know how to connect with a decentralized world. You see, Most of the time people spend on social media, and this is something where it makes sure that the decentralized world is connected to web 2 as well. Thank you.